Greetings, friendship teachers, and welcome to the school year 1920 PowerTeacher Pro Gradebook training for SLA teachers. Now let's access PowerSchool. You can begin by opening your internet browser. Enter the following server address: friendshipschools.powerschool.com/pw.html. Once your screen is available, enter your username and password and simply click Enter. When you are ready to log off PowerTeacher, click the Log Out button in the upper right corner. If you do not have access to PowerSchool, please email powerschool@friendshipschools.org. Once you log in to PowerTeacher Pro, you will have access to your dashboard. Now, there are two main features on your dashboard that you will need to know. To access your gradebook, click PowerTeacher Pro under the navigation bar on the left-hand side. And taking attendance, simply click on the chair. All pre-K4 SLA teachers will take attendance in morning meeting. All K through 8th SLA teachers will take attendance for English and math. And all 9th through 12th SLA teachers will take attendance in each content period. There are only two attendance codes for SLA: B, which equals a present, and U, which equals an unexcused. Teachers, please note that no student attendance record should be left blank. After you have launched your gradebook, you will have access to your charms. Your charms are A+ grading, students, progress, reports, settings, and apps. Teachers, you will spend most of your time in the A+ grading charm. Here, you will create your assignments and enter in your grades. Category and weights. Categories and category weights are set up at the community office, which saves you time and allows teachers to get started using the gradebook more quickly. K through 8th, you have two categories: practice and application, and assessments. For practice and application, the minimum requirement is 3 per week, and the weight equals 50%. For the category of assessments, the minimum requirement is 3 bi-weekly assessments, at least 5 exact path progress checks, and 1 demonstration of learning, and the weight equals 50%. For my 9th through 12th SLA teachers, you have 4 categories: practice and application, assessments, civil discourse, and homework. Practice and application, the minimum requirement is 3 per week, and the weight equals 35%. Assessments, the minimum requirement is 1 per week, and the weight equals 45%. Your next category is civil discourse. The minimum requirement is 3 per week, and the weight equals 10%. And lastly, homework. The minimum requirement is 3 per week, and the weight equals 10%. Now that you have an understanding of categories and weights, let's begin to access your classes so you can begin to create your assignments. Click on the class drop-down menu, select the appropriate term and year, and lastly, select the class you want to create assignments for. Now that you can access your assignments, let's create a new assignment. In PowerTeacher Pro, to create an assignment, click on the Create button in the upper right and select Assignment. Fill in the necessary data, including the name, category, score type and value, count in the final grade, and due date. And here's a great feature. You can create assignments and assign them to specific students or groups of students by clicking on the Students tab. You can also assign to multiple classes without needing to copy. Now that you can create a new assignment, let's view assignments. In PowerTeacher Pro, with the course selected, click on the A+ grading menu on the left and select Assignment List. Teachers, you will be able to see your entire list. You can also filter a certain category by selecting the appropriate filter and clicking Apply. The main assignment page will show teachers the assignment name, the number of students in the class, and how many assignments the teacher has put scores in for, the due date, and the score type. Teachers can edit any assignment by clicking on the edit symbol. Now that you are able to view, let's copy assignments. You can copy one, some, or all of the existing assignments in a selected term in class to other terms and classes. To do so, select the A+ grading icon, click on Assignment List, click the gear icon, and simply click Copy Assignments. Now that you can copy, let's score assignments. Locate the assignment you want to score, click the blank box and enter the student's assignment scores in the score column. This neat tool displayed on your screen is the Score Inspector. And why would you use the Score Inspector? You can enter and edit scores, you can fill scores, you can also enter comments and fill comments, as well as use flags: missing, collected, late, incomplete, and absent. You can also use special codes. To access the Score Inspector, click on the grading icon, select Score Sheet, and then select a score cell. In your score assignments, you have assignment flags. Please take a note of your screen. The only flag you should not use is the exempt flag. Now that you have an understanding of your flags, let's begin to add comments. You can enter comments manually or use the comment bank. Use the Smart Text feature to personalize comments for one or more students. To add comments, click the grading icon, select Score Sheet, select the cell you want to score, and next your comment icon. And this concludes the end of the school year 1920 PowerTeacher Pro Gradebook training for SLA teachers. And thank you for joining.